JREW Engineering has started its operation way back in 1973, and it's the 50th year we are now celebrating this year. And we are basically a company which is producing and manufacturing engineering components in India, and we are into heavy fabrications, and we also have machining facilities across our plants. We have total of 4 different plants located in Mohali, which is near Chandigarh, and along with that we also have a facility near Delhi, the National Capital Region in Faridabad, from where we are supplying the front axles to JCB, Caterpillar and Manito. So all these backhoe loader manufacturers, they take the axles from us.
We are just looking for the export market, and for the export market, we are just developing our Faridabad plant as an export plant. So where we are just enhancing our machining facility and the fabrication facility also. We are just going for the robot welding, altogether robot welding. For the machining, definitely we are just going for the SPMs and all the machining facility where we do the all export quality job.
We are expanding now as we are growing. This year we will be closing at about 300 crore, and for the next 5 years we are targeting 600 crore. So doubling in next 5 years, and we are quite certain that we will be able to achieve this because we have a highly motivated teams which are doing fantastic jobs, and we are also expanding in terms of our infrastructure, putting up our new facilities. We are also coming up with a much larger plant which will be having about 5 lakh square feet of shop floor area.